everybody and welcome to my shop. As you know, I'm working on building a mobile workshop right now and I have two main components. One is my electric hand truck. And the other thing is this hand tool toolkit. So now a problem that I've been thinking about for quite some time is the modularity. I think the toolbox or the workshop box will be quite heavy because this toolkit alone is pretty heavy. So I want to build it in a way that I can have the hand truck or the trailer work on its own and have a system to get the toolkit off by myself. I think what I need is a kind of lift system that lifts up the toolbox. I can pull away the trailer and use the toolkit. And then you can have a workbench everywhere.
Yes.
So I can go to people's houses, drop the workbench or the shop, work on it, and still use the trailer for maybe material runs or whatever. So I want it to be separatable, if that's a word. Separable. I just say it fast and so it's separable. So I had this thing, wait, it's made to lift a car, so it's definitely strong enough. Yeah. Okay. This works. I think we should build a prototype, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Or we make it partly modular. Okay. This part is stationary. This part is modular. Here we have two drawers from both sides in between those things. Then maybe one more. Oh, no, hold on. This should fit. Yes! This on top that you can take out to both sides. On top of this, the toolbox, and that's always there. And then the back part you can take off. So you always have like you have the most essential tools and storage interchangeable. Crate with you. Still have enough space for cargo. And this will make the whole thing a little bit lighter.
Yeah, that's good.
Let's build it like that.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Drill?
Yeah, I added the drill and some other details that I liked. Okay, step number one is to build two drawers that you can pull out from either side that fit exactly in this metal frame. And I want it to be on drawer slides and be super smooth and easy.
Super smooth and easy, like always.
Yeah, like always. Okay, let's go. So far the material we used for the drawers are the cutouts from my tiny house, the window cutouts. And these handles are from the DJ station, I believe. Cool thing is they're aluminum, super light. I think this is the best way to build them right now.
Geil.
Mega. Okay, great. So the drawers are done. Now what we need is some construction to build over the drawers that we can possibly have another Euro crate. And then we need another stable layer where we can put the toolbox on. And I think that the big challenge for this is weight versus stability and space, of course. You'll be surprised to hear this.
What?
I wonder if we can make it from aluminum boxes.
Oh wow, that is so crazy.
I like to reinvent myself. I like to try new things.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I am excited about this solution because it doesn't look like much, but it's actually, I think, very functional. For example, the rim that we cut off, it fits here. So once this is all secured, this is a very stable connection. So this could have a wooden lid, and that could already be the placement for the toolbox. Now I do want a little bit more storage. So I was thinking, we place this upside down.
Looks nice.
It looks good.
Yes.
And then we cut off one side. And then let's hope the plastic Euro box just fits right in. If not, we have to make it fit. But we have a table saw, so I'm not worried.
Yes.
Heiß. Alter.
Ja, passen sogar zwei rein.
Ja. Nein.
Nein.
Ey, Alter.
Oh, okay, das ist Schicksal. Krass.
Warum haben wir da immer so ein Glück mit? We can even make a little rail in between, so you can take them out individually. Okay, I know I wanted to work on the modular system and the whole pumping it up and finding a system to get the workshop off of the trailer. But now I'm all about this, and I think instead of doing both things half-assed, I want to focus on this because I'm very excited about the solution and I want to make it as nice as possible. So when we move on, this is as done as we can get it. And yeah, let's do some details. Let's think about it more. Let's make it really nice. so this is, I don't remember where I had it from, but you can have nuts in here. It's like a little railing that you can attach things to, like these airline things, like these profiles a little bit. I was thinking maybe we just cut it in half and attach it to the top of this.
Okay.
And then we have a super flexible mounting system. Let's cut this to 80 and then this ends here. It is perfectly one level, like on one. How did that happen? Coincidentally. Coincidentally, check this out. You see that?
Yes.
It's perfect. Okay, what we want to do now is make sure that everything is nice and secure, and we're just going to screw this box into the wooden tracks that we have, and then make sure that everything registers nice and tight so that we don't have to strap it down, or as little as possible. So this right here is the reward for figuring it out. Now I get to work on the details. That is always my favorite part. This is where the projects get their character, I think, or their soul, if you want to be so esoteric. It's the best part. This adds a lot of stability. We have all four corners, and it's also for bumps, and it looks nice.
Yay!
So geil.
What next?
I want to have one surface here, and then I think we're done. Okay, I have this piece of a Festool workstation, and I think it's perfect for what we want to do. We just need to cut off the sides. Okay, we need to cut this corner because this round shape with that round corner, perfect. So let's work on this little detail. Ja, das ist doch besser. When my hands look like this and my shop looks like that, you can generally say it was a successful project. I am super happy how the first steps of the mobile workshop came out. The modular system, I know it doesn't look like much, but I'm very, very happy. Again, aluminum boxes saved the day, but the way we use them with the cutouts, turning them upside down, it looks so simple now, but I think it's actually a really, really good solution, especially since they also house the Euro crates. And the whole idea that only one part is fixed to the bike and you can build up to different work heights that you need in different situations, I think that's super, super useful. Also, the holes are perfect to attach these expander straps. And then the wooden strips that we added, they have this little gap so you can put a ratchet strap around. It's just very attachable. The two drawers use this negative space that would not have been easy to use in any other way. I think this was a really good idea to just make the drawer fit the frame perfectly. And then again, that's the only part that's really attached to the bike. The rest is completely modular and you can bring whatever you need. Now the one box that has the drawers in it, it also has a work surface that I stole from a Festool workstation. And that has these perfect holes so you can clamp stuff to it. We can also use it for other stuff like ratchet straps or whatever. And it is perfectly made for the table saw. So you can put the table saw on it, it doesn't wobble, it's a very solid connection. So that is great, especially in black. It looks so good. That's another thing. The whole thing looks good. It's not only functional. I think it looks good. Like the yellow little nylon straps that you could also attach stuff to. It just makes it very distinct. It looks like we made it because we did. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying the first third of my mobile workshop. And I will see you next week with a new video.